clip original. It's from More. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In previous video I say that this will be my last video, and you guys say that please keep uploading, we are going to miss you, and most of you give a good comment, supportive comment and positive comment, so I thought of doing another video. So here I am. Thanks for supporting and giving a chance to shoot or film a new video to make you up. You know what, I used to have a stress, and I think I have mental problem, you know. Sometimes I have a difficulties in sleeping, insomnia. Anyway, yes, this is my today dress. Look, one t-shirt, sleep original. It's from More. Yeah. Yeah. Today we are going to do clothing haul, which is from 22 days past. I went to a market and bought and buy some clothes. 50 to 10 more. What 50 to 10 multiple? 50 to 100, between 50 to 100. I bought some clothes, yeah, some tops and one skirt. Let's see one by one. I hope you guys love it. Hey, kalau not done. Here we go. One shirt, one top still. What the oh no. Why am I always having tongue slip? I don't know. I would like to cut off my tongue. This is from Korea. This is so good. Kamis deudan my lily nadit my, it's so big, but very comfy to wear this. Then this is for throwing. This is for 50 rupees. 50 rupees. And then let's go to the next one. This is a black stripe just like a t-shirt, high half neck. No, I think it's a half neck and have a long sleeve, and it is from Korea, and the material is so good. And Japan ka ambang ti mandi ka he ngay. This is for 50 rupees. And yeah, let's go to the next one. Here it is, one kamis crop tops. This is so cute. A color lena lanalmay. It is from Korea again. I give 50 rupees. So cheap but so nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. Sorry about my throat, it's not clean. Anyway, this is a skirt. It's a animal print skirt. I give 100. Skirt. Here is a cake. A cake in a cake. This is it, guys. This is 400 rupees. Let's go to the next one. Parang pang. Jiju, it's a long dress. It's a long dress. Half animal print again. I love animal print. Like a loud guli mo ko. I am afraid of that snake skin. This is it. I give it 50 rupees. And then let's go to the next one. And this too. It is a long dress, very long. Tu amasang katagi po. Inom na di may mo. This is for 50 rupees. And then here the last one, it's a crop tops. crop tops. It's from Korea, I guess. The material, it's a cotton. It's a crop tops. It's so cute, and yeah, it is from Korea, and I give 100. This one is 100. Okay, that's all for today, and I'm gonna wear one by one. Okay, stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today videos. I hope you like my tops and my skirt, one skirt, and yeah, which one is the best, please comment down below. Okay, keep supporting, and because of your supportiveness I will upload a video again and again. You know what, improve my English speaking skill because of you guys. Thank you so much. I'm not good in English, but by speaking the words which come out from my mouth help me to improve my English. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Ka kiss lela doina di mo yang kiss my makeup.